Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just recently purchased some plants from Planet Desert. Box came in the mail. Priority mail, that is. Yes, 2 to 3 day shipping. Awesome stuff. Check this out. With every order, you will receive this invoice. It comes with care instructions for the plants you just purchased. It's got a lot of good information here. I found it pretty cool that Planet Desert prints out a picture next to the description on the items that you purchased, and as any invoice you get the prices alongside. Let's start taking these out. We have 4 to go through. Here we go. Be careful when taking these out of the package. You don't want to stab and hurt yourself or potentially break a spine off of the cactus plant itself. Let's go ahead and take out another one, and as you can see, they are wrapped in this paper material, which is great. It keeps everything in its place, even through shipment. Look at that. They are packaged very well. I like how they add that little careful sticker there. It gives it that professional touch. I don't think I remember receiving any plants in the mail before that were this well packaged. Excellent packaging overall. Thank you, Planet Desert. Keep up the great work. Let's open these up now and see what we got inside. Wow, take a look at that, you guys. Looks like 2 flowers are forming on this plant. And from the looks of it, rubber bands do the trick when packaging plants. I'm gonna go ahead and learn from this and start shipping my carnivorous plants out using this rubber band shipping method. As you can see, they do a great job, from fast delivery, excellent packaging, A+ overall. So if you're interested in buying any cactus plants, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below to the eBay account and to the actual website. Rubber bands holding it down. These plants are looking healthy, and the substrate on the surface are rocks, which help out a lot with drainage, and also it looks nice. The whole pot is not full of rocks. I'm sure it's only layered on the top surface with rocks. Ooh, look at this one. Look at the spines on that. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and let the music take over my voice and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Yo, I'm back. I appreciate you guys sticking through and watching my video. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, or subscribe if you like the content I provide. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Peace.